Welcome to Village Girls channel.
Welcome to Village Girls channel.
Thank you. Hello and welcome to kunaitwaje? Wongo, kunaitwa Riunderi. Simseme Riunderi?
Riunderi.
Simseme vizuri like Riunderi.
Riunderi.
Yeah, we are in Riunderi. So welcome back because we did a challenge here. And Riunderi is in Kiambu County in the soon to be Ndeya sub-county. So guess what we are doing today? I'm sure you've seen the title. So we are doing a tongue twister. Let's try with these kids first. So tuseme bebe na boso sihagira na gili hamwe.
Bebe na boso
Diga kurora thera kamera. Bebe na boso sihagira na gili hamwe.
Bebe na boso sihagira hamwe.
Sihagira na gili hamwe. Ayo kana tugete dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara
dagaragaria
diramo igwa ni no igwa ndanerera daga unataka kuwa hapa dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui. Alright, so we are going round, or we are waiting for people here because I'm actually selling water. I will show you, and then we'll see if people can say dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui. And the other challenge is bebe na boso sihagira nagerio hamwe. So we'll do here at this shop, and we'll also go round with my friend Waidera who is not here yet. By the way, my name is Rebecca Wanjiro. You can call me the village girl. I am here with my village boys and girls. We are so many. The village girl.
Village girl.
Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it because I am sure this one is going to be fun. Because can you try this at home? So by the way, thank you to my brother-in-law, Mr. Gekonyo, for giving me these tongue twisters because I didn't have so many. The ones I started with, I just ran out of tongue twisters, so I had to ask for help. So I asked my brother-in-law, and he gave me this one actually. The other one was randomly mentioned by someone. So let's go to Riunderi. Poa. Wewe ni Mkikuyu? Unaweza nisamia tongue twister? Inasemwa dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui. Geria tu. Dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui. Geria tu. Dogerie. Oh hanini gai. Sawa. Kagaragari. Tageria hanini. Oh hanini tu. Sawa. Ada kali. Tahu dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui. Kiwera ihenya
dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui
dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui
dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara
karugarui
dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui.
Aya wewe mbere
Dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui.
na ore gatwe Mugikuyu na nyinyi
Dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara. Dagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui.
na Wambui we jaribu
Mbona nikugeria?
Eni Dagara
Kisipojaribu huwezi pata.
ndagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui ugerenge aca wegeria tu
Ĩrandũmua kugire.
nikugwira
Ndagaragaria
ndagaragaria kagaragari
kagaragari
kagaragara karugarui ndagaragaria
kagaragari karugarui.
ai we nawe mbere nikio njite yagira bado wageria malika geria tu mageria
ndagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui
ndagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui
ndagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui
thank you
ndagaragaria kagaragari karugarui
ndagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui
ndagaragaria kagaragari karugarui
gukari yoko njugera
kagaragari
ndagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui ando kwenda kugeria ndagaragaria kagaragari
ndagaragaria kagaragari kagaragari kagaragari
kagaragara karugarui
karugarui ndagaragaria
ndagaragaria kagaragari kagaragara karugarui
Ndagaragaria karagari karugakara.
aya yahota ari toi